After basking in the success with season 1, Evolve yet comes up with the podcast Boss Lady Brews season 2. I'm your host Jayashree Parekh, and I promise to get you highly inspiring, powerful, and go getter women on this platform who have turned every downfall into an opportunity and every hardship into a tale that is worth admiring. We here today have with us a personality who is synonymous with her name, Miss Jolly Kotecha. Jolly Kotecha is a certified happiness coach having an experience of more than 25 years empowering educators, individuals, and even communities and helping them to live with fun, clarity, and purpose. She is known to create transformational experiences which are both practical and impactful. Welcome, Jolly Kotecha, to Boss Lady Brews Season 2 by Evolve.
Thank you, Jayashree. Thank you so much for inviting
You're welcome, Jolly. You know, Jolly, on a funnier side, I have never seen a Hasmukh so Hasmukh, and I've never seen a sweetie so sweet to everyone. And actually, I have never also seen a Seema knowing her Seema Rekha anywhere. But I know of one Jolly who is jolly all the time, and this is so true, Jolly. But how?
So there's an interesting thing about it. When I was born, yes, I cried like all the children cried. But when my nana took me in his hands, he saw the child smiling and ready for the world. So he said, "इसका नाम हम Jolly रखेंगे," and that's how I was named Jolly. And it's not my pet name; it's my real name. And it took me 45 years to understand that I'm blessed with a name which is collaborating with my profession too. And that's when I started calling myself an happiness coach.
Oh, I think I really believe that. Can you tell me who is the actual Jolly Kotecha and what inspired you to become a happiness coach?
So I was a reader and I'm still a reader. I used to read a lot of books. So people love to travel. I used to travel through the books. And I realized that the real joy that everybody gets is happiness. खुशी से ज़्यादा खुशी वाली चीज़ कोई भी नहीं होती है. आई वॉज ऑल सेट टू बिकम अ चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट. होशियार थी पढ़ाई में तो सबको लगा सीए करेगी. बट देयर वेर एक्सपीरियंसेस व्हेन आई वाज इन मुंबई. मैंने 93 बॉम्ब ब्लास्ट देखा. मैंने राइट्स इन मुंबई देखा. आई वॉज इन मुंबई वेयर गैंगस्टर यूज्ड टू रूल द वर्ल्ड एंड इट जस्ट अननर्व्ड मी. मुझे लगा कि ये तो ऐसी चीज़ है कि आप कितनी भी मेहनत कर लो, इन द एंड यू डोंट नो व्हाट इज गोइंग टू रिसीव. एंड दैट चेंज समथिंग इन मी एंड दैट चेंज्ड me as a person, that made me understand that now I will have to choose a profession that keeps me happy first, and then I can spread the happiness.
Right. You're talking of the Bombay Blast, and Jolly, let me tell you, I have also witnessed that. And I have seen people going through a lot of psychological and stress and, things that they would not come out of it for a couple of months, and it really affected them mentally.
Yeah.
So I can understand that phase.
Yes.
Jolly, you are known to create joyful learning. So can you tell us something a little more about NLP, that is a neuro linguistic program that you undertake, in a way, in a very simple way that our viewers can understand?
Yes. So there are two minds, and we have a conscious mind and we have a subconscious
Right.
mind. All of us majorly depend on our conscious mind.
Okay.
पर सरप्राइजिंगली हमारी ज़िंदगी सबकॉन्शियस माइंड ही चला रही है. 95% आपकी और मेरी लाइफ सबकॉन्शियस माइंड चलाती है. और
Okay.
सबकॉन्शियस माइंड में अगर आपकी फाइल्स हैप्पी है तभी आप इसको यूज़ अच्छे से कर पाओगे. राइट. दैट्स द रीज़न जॉयफुल लर्निंग इज़ अ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ NLP. If your subconscious mind, if your emotions are stable, happy, you would be learning in a better way.
So why this NLP is becoming so essential in a day-to-day life? Because हम सुनते हैं किसी को भी, they are finding a lot of happiness by doing these courses, or maybe they are finding a path where they can really, really be happy in a very generous way. So can you just explain why this is getting essential in our now, fast-paced life?
Yes, so nowadays, yes, you're right. बहुत सारे लोग NLP के बारे में सुन रहे हैं, but this has started in the 1970s. So this concept is as old as 50 years. अभी इसलिए पॉपुलर हुआ है बिकॉज पीपल हैव स्टॉप्ड डूइंग एफर्ट्स टू बैलेंस ए कॉन्शियस एंड सबकॉन्शियस माइंड. हम इतना अपने कॉन्शियस माइंड से ही काम करना चाहते हैं, हम एनालाइज करना चाहते हैं, हमारे पास बहुत सारे इंफॉर्मेशन और डेटा है, हम उसको प्रोसेस करना चाहते हैं. वी ऑलवेज वांट टू शो अवर इंटेलिजेंट एंड द स्मार्ट साइड. ओके, इस इम्बैलेंस के कारण देर आर सो मेनी फाइल्स दैट आर गेटिंग स्टोर्ड इन योर सबकॉन्शियस माइंड which is not working for you. So balance of your conscious and your subconscious mind is extremely important, and that is where NLP helps us to create that balance. And that's the reason nowadays you see and hear and find a lot of people doing this.
So you mean to say every individual in this universe needs to do this NLP program just to train their subconscious mind?
So
Is it?
train the conscious mind, okay, and store the right files in the subconscious mind.
Okay.
So that's the balance. You can only train your conscious mind.
Okay.
Right? And it's a very deep course, but like you said, I keep it as light. I don't use lot of jargons and I don't use lot of terminologies that are medical.
Right.
Because I don't want the course to be boring. I just want people to understand the balance is very important.
Jolly also known to have your sessions in a very interactive, fun sessions, and in fact I have also heard that you're using kid toys in your sessions. Can you elaborate on that, like kid toys to teach adults? Is that true?
So don't you think each one of us as a child in us?
100%. And I think that should always be there.
True. And we were among the generations जहाँ हमें इतने खिलौने नहीं मिलते थे खेलने
Right.
के लिए,
Very
right?
true.
And there are so many beautiful toys. आप देखो toys का reason क्या है लाइफ में, बच्चों को हम toys क्यों देते हैं? There are two things that you'll observe, colors and shapes.
Right.
Shapes works for the conscious mind, colors work for the subconscious.
Oh, is it?
Yes.
I didn't know that.
Yes, colors
Yeah.
are a very essential part. हमें कितना अच्छा लगता है colorful garden हो.
Yes.
Yes, the nature has so many colors. We love to see the sunset with different colors.
Right.
Colors has a way of storing positive files in your subconscious mind. Shapes are for your conscious mind.
Okay.
So when you play with toys, इसलिए हम बच्चों को भी toys देते हैं और हम बड़ों को भी toys से खेलना चाहिए. There's so many board games, there's so many puzzles.
Right.
And that's how I bring lot of toys and kids toys. They're not kids toys, they're just toys, good toys that we all
Okay.
play.
In fact, I remember जब हम छोटे थे, जब एक बच्चा थोड़ा बड़ा हो जाता था, his toys or her toys would pass on to the younger one.
Yes.
And when that baby would grow, it would really pass on to, so the toys were like, coming to all the babies in the house.
So Jayashree, my son is 25.
Right.
I am still using his toys for my trainings.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Oh my God. Okay, so basically your fun aspect comes from the kid toys that you use. Is that
Yes,
right?
Yes. Fun. Also, there's a lot of
Learning,
by
yes.
playing that games also. So we
Right.
inculcate a lot of learnings through that games.
I'm sure this transformation for everyone taking your sessions must be feeling very natural and engaging. So what transformations have you experienced personally using these techniques?
So yes, I'm my biggest guinea pig.
Oh,
Yes. Every technique that I designed, so there are a lot of techniques that NLP already has. Like there are anchors that we build for them, there are metaphors, there is a Swiss pattern, and there are numerous other techniques that are there with NLP. This course that I am doing, NLP is just a part of it. My course is for reprogramming of the subconscious mind. So there are lot of training, a lot of techniques that I have designed my own self. And I am my biggest guinea pig. So I do a technique for myself for 6 months. Then I share with my family and friends who are now always very open. Say, "आ जाओ कुछ नया technique बताओ." And then I inculcate in the course, and I tell the participants also that ज़रूरी नहीं है कि हर technique काम आए. Just try to it. There is nothing that is going to harm you. They're very
Right.
simple techniques that I
Right.
yes.
so Jolly, you are saying you are your best guinea pig, but I think children may be your best critics, or how indulgent your children are in your techniques or courses?
My son will always tell me, ये क्या नया नया नाटक तेरा चालू है? But my daughter, surprisingly, she'll say, so I have a technique that I've designed which is called the energy ball, right? So she will come to me, she'll say, मम्मी energy ball कर दो, अच्छे marks आ जाएंगे. My son is in US and he'll call me, अब तेरे जादू की ज़रूरत है, अब कुछ जादू टोला कर ले. For him, he will still make fun of me. ली तो से कि तू तो बाबा बनने के सारे तेरे नखरे चल रहे हैं. But deep down, both of them, even my husband, even family and friends know that it is helping them, it's transforming their life. Yes, there is something called manifestation. Yes, you have to convert your negative files into positive files. They understand everything. I think they live the course with me. So,
Okay.
yes, they make fun of me, but they get the most of the benefits also from that.
So, you know, on a serious note, does this really work?
100%.
So, it is your belief that makes it work, or the certain techniques that you use makes it work?
So, do you want to believe that the sun rises, or does the sun actually rise?
It actually rises.
That's it.
Okay.
It's not the belief system.
Okay.
The universe is there giving you everything.
Right.
You want to continuously question the universe, then you can't do it. But you have to trust the universe to get what you want.
Jolly, besides the NLP, you're also doing experimental learning like the hypnotherapy, the sound therapy, and also reprogramming of your subconscious mind. What made you combine all this into one program or one course?
So, yes, I am a certified hypnotherapist. I am an access bar facilitator. I am a certified sound therapist. I've also learned Narayana Reiki. I've also learned angel healing. I've
Right.
also done energy healing. NLP, I'm a trainer. I'm a trained NLP trainer.
Right.
What I'm trying to tell you is all these courses are very powerful in their own ways. And I did this course only with the intention of bringing the biggest transformation in my life.
Okay.
There was never an intention कि ये कोर्स करूँगी फिर इस कोर्स को आगे ले जाऊँगी. There was never the intention because I was already a soft skill trainer. I was, you know, doing my work great. But over the period of time, I was working on the reprogramming of the subconscious mind.
Right.
That became my base.
Okay.
So everything that I learned and everything that is powerful, I have inculcated in this course, and I have found out that everything is actually trying to make you happy. Every course is trying to make you peaceful. Every course is trying to just tell you to believe in yourself. So this all learnings have helped me to design this course. So now I do only two things. I am a certified sound therapist and I have designed my own course that is called certificate course in reprogramming of the subconscious mind and NLP. So this is the only two things that currently I am doing.
So, Jolly, these words are quite alien to me, but if I wish to join this course is something that I would be able to do, right?
Yes.
And this is like for any age group?
So above 18 years.
Above 18 years.
This is only courses for adults. Yes,
Okay.
individuals can do. And I also run the same course in corporates. I do it with school teachers. I do it with college students. So any individual can do this course.
Okay. So, anyone wanting to join this course, would they require any kind of prior knowledge to be able to join this course actually?
No,
Any
knowledge
knowledge
is
is
not
required?
required.
Okay.
The attitude
Okay.
to bring about the change in our own lives is
Right.
required.
Okay. So, you're talking of who can join this course, like individuals, professionals, in corporate, sector and all that. So, how would this course help all these people differently?
See, basically, I have heard it a lot of times that मैं अपने personal life को और professional life को separately रखती हूँ.
Right, right,
और वो
right.
सही भी है. But you are the same body and
Right.
you are the same mind,
Right.
And you will have your bad days, you will have your hard days, you will
Of
have your
course.
good days. And it's very difficult during that days to switch off and switch on.
Okay.
So this course trains your mind to switch on and switch off, and also at the same time resolve that the issue doesn't come up again and again.
Okay.
Yes. So yes, I always tell people that your behavior in your personal and professional lives can be different, but your mindset can't be.
Right.
Your mindset has to be the same. So
Right.
this course also guides you to have a mindset so that you are able to balance it properly. You are also able to switch on and switch off. You are also able to value what you have. You are also able to see what you need to work on. So this course is exactly designed. That's the reason it's a 10-week course.
Yes.
So we do it once a week.
Jolly, I would like to know how long is this course? What is the duration of this course? And how every individual will be able to take out that much of time from their busy schedule? Can you tell us about that?
Surely. So this is a 10-week course.
Okay.
And you are supposed to only give 3 hours in a week's time. So this
In a
course,
week.
yeah, in a
Okay.
week's time, because we are going to actually reprogram your subconscious
All
mind.
right.
It's not just data and information and techniques handed over to you. Every week the participants come back and tell, okay, this technique worked better for me, this
Right,
technique worked
right.
faster for me. So it's every subconscious mind is different, every conscious mind thinks differently. So we have designed the course like this, that you have to just give 3 hours to yourself every week.
Okay.
Also, the fees that I am charging are lifetime fees. So somebody who has done this course in 2021 can come and upgrade themselves by doing one more session.
Oh, really?
Yeah, they just need one more session to just upgrade themselves. Because in this
Okay.
last 5 years, I have upgraded myself. I have designed new techniques.
Okay.
Also, anywhere in the world, online or offline, this course are happening. So people are
Okay.
doing it from Australia, from America, Canada. A lot of students are a part of this course.
Okay. So, oh, that's really wonderful that you're doing online and offline. So you can cater to, in fact, anyone and everyone.
Yes. So the COVID helped me do that.
Oh, yes. I remember Jolly during COVID when we were doing our Zoom meets and all. And I think you got somebody from Bahrain asking for
Yes.
your
Yeah.
course.
And I would also like to show my gratitude to Evolve that Jolly Kotecha, your happiness coach, is the first time that I used in Evolve. And then
Okay.
Evolve COVID ke time pe Evolve got me an opportunity to do a happiness workshop online, if
Yes,
you remember.
yes.
And that's how I got my international participants.
One thing is for sure, because I am knowing you since many, many years now. So I have seen you entering a room and there's a big smile. And in fact, people around you, they have a big smile when you are around them. What what is the reason that you of course you call yourself that you're happiness coach, but ये happiness जो होता है वो happy happy हमेशा ही रहता है? This is like for a particular person or a particular period. How is that?
So, over the period, I have understood one thing, that self love is very important, Jayshree.
Right.
I love myself.
Right.
And I love myself, full stop.
Right.
There is no comma after I love myself.
Period.
Period. I love myself. And that's a very important part.
Right.
So I never sleep with a disturbed mind. I will see to
Okay.
it that I entertain myself, I'll dance around, I'll fool around, I'll call my friends,
Yes.
I'll go out for coffee. I have to sleep happy.
Right.
If you sleep happy, you wake up happy.
Right.
And that's what I practice. So no, this is not a professional space where people feel this.
Okay.
If you
So
meet me,
that's
I'll always-
genuinely
Yeah.
you are
Yeah.
jolly and happy all the time.
Yeah.
And I think that is contagious because everyone around you will have the same
True.
thing on their face
True,
of
true.
being happy and jolly.
Thank you so much for that.
Jolly, this is your core belief that happiness is not a destination, it is a way of living. Can you elaborate on that?
So yes,
You believe in that, right?
I definitely believe
Yes.
that. I always believe that it's a journey of being happy, right? Everybody will have their own struggles, their own mindset. खुश रहने की जिम्मेदारी आपकी
आपकी है,
खुद की है.
सही है.
You cannot say कि आज ये इंसान ये करेगा तो मैं खुश रहूँगी.
सही है, सही है.
So basically, yes, I do this every day. I see to it. So yes, you should have hobbies. If I can elaborate on this, is how can a person be happy? मेरे लिए dancing and reading are my hobbies.
Okay.
So whenever I feel a little low, I just have to put on a music and dance, or I
Okay.
have to read a nice book. You can paint, you can cook, you can play a musical instrument, you can listen to Bollywood
Right,
songs,
right.
you can do a lot of things, you can do gardening, and lot of creative things, you can do baking. You have to have an hobby. So even today, I read for at least 3 hours a day because that's a hobby for me. Now,
Right.
your hobbies are going to help you keep happy. You can play a lot of sports. So looking at me, you will feel I don't play sports. That's true. I go for walks.
Right.
So it's a choice. Do not, when you're pursuing your hobby, do not try to win that.
Right,
So
right.
when you're trying to paint or when you're trying to dance as an hobby, do not say I want to be perfect in
Right,
it.
right.
Just enjoy the
Enjoy.
moment. So I see lot of people sports खेलते हैं as an hobby, पर फिर वो
Right,
कॉन्शियस माइंड को ज़्यादा यूज़ करने लगते हैं कि अभी मेरे को परफेक्ट होना है. नहीं, इफ़ यू
Right,
लव
right.
प्लेइंग क्रिकेट, इफ़ यू लव प्लेइंग, जस्ट लव, कम बैक होम. That's going to help you keep happy.
So basically, you're just enjoying the journey.
Yes.
You're just enjoying the process. But Jolly, I know so many people around me who don't know what they have to do, what they want to do, what they should do. So how can they know themselves better? Do your courses also help them?
Definitely.
Yes.
That's a good question. My course will open up what actually they're looking for,
Right.
what should be the purpose, what they want to do in their life.
Right.
There are a lot of dreams that they have, close that files. We open up their dreams, and yes, people definitely revisit their dreams and fulfill them. Yes, this course
Because
also.
mostly I have seen a lot of youngsters or a lot of corporate people basically बस वो चलते जा रहे हैं, but they have no maybe purpose or no goal to what they want in life.
Yes.
So probably if your course can help them to actually know what they want in life, I think this will be a game changer for them.
100%. So my course has also a very unique thing. I also tell people that you should go on a solo trip.
Okay.
Now solo trip में क्या होता है, लोग ये बोलते हैं कि हम तो बहुत travel करते हैं. I've traveled 100 countries and I've gone this place. Travel is never about counting.
Right.
Travel is always about experience.
Experience, right.
So I request people कि 7 दिन अकेले travel करो. Do not take your friends, do not take your family. Go select a place, go to a nice resort. I'm not even saying that. But spend 7 days with your own self. And that's going to be the game changer for you.
Okay. So does that actually help to know yourself? Because you have all the time for yourself in the world, you're not occupied elsewhere. So maybe you know certain things about yourself that they come out. Is that the reason that you're saying you should travel?
I always feel that people are bored with themselves.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Okay.
They need something to do to entertain themselves.
Okay.
Now, just Jayashree, ask yourself, if you are bored with your own self, how are people going to like you?
That's very true. Actually true.
So I always tell people, if you can't spend time with your own self, you constantly need everybody around you
Right,
to
right.
entertain your mind to make you feel happy. That's the cause of all problems. If
Okay.
you can enjoy 7 days with your own self, मैं उठूंगी, मैं खाऊंगी, मैं घूमूंगी, मैं अपने साथ अपने आप से
right,
बातें
right.
करूंगी, पेंट करूंगी, whatever you want to
Right,
do in
right.
that 7 days, if you start enjoying with your own self, believe me, the world is going to love you.
Okay. So I think my viewers would also agree to this. Okay, spend time with yourself, know your conscious mind, know your subconscious mind, and of course, if you require any alterations in knowing yourself, then we have Jolly Kotecha, whose details will be shared, and you can get in touch with her for to know more about the course details and the programs that she is undertaking. Jolly, since you love to play games, let us also play a game. Rapid fire question.
Chalo.
Ready?
Ready?
Okay. Hard work or to quit?
Hard work.
Pretending to be happy or genuinely feeling happy?
Genuinely feeling happy.
Jolly the mother or Jolly the trainer?
Jolly the mother any day.
Oh, okay. More important is age or experience?
Experience.
Improvise or update on what you're doing or add new courses?
Improvise and update every day.
Okay, that's wonderful. And last but not the least, friends for you are for just fun or long term relationships
Friends are long-term relationships.
with a little bit of fun.
Fun is always there.
Jolly, we've had a wonderful session today, and I would love to go on and on and on to know new things from you. But समय तो किसी की नहीं सुनता है. So this is the time now. We come to an end, and would you like to add something, Jolly?
I want to thank Evolve and I want to thank Jayashree for inviting me for this podcast. Lot of major milestones in my life has happened for Evolve, and I would always like to tell people, when we join the right networking group, we definitely grow. So thank you Jayashree and thank you Evolve for everything. So thank you viewers. I hope you enjoyed, because Jayashree and I just love this conversation. It never felt like a podcast. It was just knowing each other better and better every day. So thank you viewers for listening to us. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Jolly. And viewers, we will be sharing all the details of our happiness coach, Miss Jolly Kotecha, and you can definitely get in touch with her directly. Thank you so much.